Today is a very exciting day because Franzy is picking up her project car.
I'm so excited. It's been a really long time since I've gotten to drive it or even see it. Wow, would you look at that?
She's dusty.
Still looks good though.
How
Just
is
like
it?
old times.
Just like old times. Man, this thing is nice. I forgot about it. You got your art stuff chilling back there and whatnot. Dude, this is a nice looking car. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen this in a while. It feels like getting a whole new car all over again.
Wow. Those Type X tails though.
Seriously.
It looks so much better than I remember.
Right? Well, let's see if it starts up. We need to grab a battery. We took this battery out of one of the work trucks. I was just about to ask you to pop the hood so we can put the battery in, but I forgot the battery goes in the trunk on this car. Oh, so beautiful. Privacy cover with all the attachments. Power's on. All right, here's your key. Let's see if she starts right up.
Do you think she will?
It's hard to say.
I think it will.
All right. Hey! How long has this been sitting? Like 4 months now?
Yeah, 4 or 5 months.
It started right up. Okay. Seatbelt. Oh. There you go. Oh, the brakes were locked on it. That's okay. It's just from sitting. That's gonna happen. Man, this is a nice car. This thing looks so good. This casually parked right in the center. That's alright, there's no one here. Doesn't this thing look sick?
Yeah. Oh, I can't wait to get it painted.
Soon. This year for sure we'll get it painted. This is yours.
What?
You want to sell it to me?
No.
Please? Stock exhaust too. Let's see how the engine's looking. Beautiful. SR20. It's always nice when you can just get in a car and go, especially after letting it sit for 4 or 5 months. We need to move out the rest of this stuff that's in here as well because we are not going to be paying for a storage unit in the summer. That's why I brought the work truck to load it up. Think it's all going to fit in there? What the heck? Aha, fully loaded. Up to the brim. All right, where do you want to go now?
Car wash probably.
That's a good idea. Got it. Doing great.
I thought I was going to slam down.
I race you there. We ended up dropping off my Integra and we picked up a slushie on the way to the car wash. And just remembered, this car doesn't come with cup holders. Thanks to today's video sponsor, we have a 3D printed cup holder. Creality offers a wide range of products to bring your ideas to life. This particular product is the Ender 5 S1. I've always wanted to get into 3D printing, but never knew where to start. Luckily, Creality makes user-friendly 3D printers, scanners, and engravers. I personally have never used a 3D printer before, and for this being my very first time, these designs came out flawless on a machine that's just ready to run. For example, look at the print quality on the Skyline cup holder. And with me being a car guy, it didn't take long for me to start printing out my own model cars, and I also have another one ready to rock. If you're looking to get into 3D printing or bringing your ideas to life, this is the perfect machine for you. And even if you're not a designer like me, there are websites that you can go to and download free 3D designs that people have made. And you can use the free Creality software to slice your designs and export it to the printer. I'm very thrilled with the quality of this product. And as you guys know, I only like to review and promote products that are actually relevant to the channel. And Creality's 3D printer nailed it. You can use discount code PRIZA10 to get 10% off your total order. Let me know if you guys have any ideas of what I should print off next. I'll be sure to attach the Creality link for you guys to check it out. Thanks again, Creality. And a 3D printed rose for you.
Thank you.
So fresh, so clean. Ah. Franzy and I are back at the junkyard. We're trying to grab the carpet that was in the sedan Integra that we found the last time we came here. So hopefully it's still there. You're doing great.
I see the bug eyes.
Oh,
Do you see it?
I do. Oh wait, this is the yellow one.
Ah,
Nah, we don't want anything off of this car.
there it is.
Oh, looks like someone took the front end and the engine and trans. Please have carpets too. Someone locked the doors? Come on. Yes, still has the carpet. They took off the tins. What the hell? Why would you, like why? And they took the wood trim. Sometimes I wonder if people watch my videos and they destroy the things I'm gonna come back for. Because that's the only reason you take off the tint on these windows, right? To sabotage someone?
Yeah, for real. What, are you gonna reuse it?
No, they crumpled it up. It's in here.
Why?
Right? Well, I guess we can unload it now, huh? Those are nice door cards though. All right. So to get the carpet out, we're gonna need to take the seats out, center console, and hopefully not much of a dash. Thank you.
Do you have a, like, either a flathead screwdriver or like pliers of some sort?
To get these out?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. The woman is asking for tools. Here you go.
Thank you.
Jesus. I've been messing with this door for longer than I'd like to admit, and I cannot get it open. I think they busted the latch internally. Plus, I'm seeing hardware is missing from this. No matter which way I put the switches on the inside, it will not open. Lock, unlock, open, close, nothing. So what I'm gonna do is take off the fender and then take off the door from the front and try and swing it open like this. Man, this is rusty. Oh, also, I got a brand new ratchet since in the last video it broke. Man, this thing sounds good. Woo! Crispy. We got Franzy in here taking out the seat bolts on the passenger side. Do you want to use the ratchet instead?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yep. I might as well take off these mud. Oh, I was gonna say take the mud flaps, but there is no flap on this mud. Well, I thought they took the entire motor, but I'm realizing now they just parted it out. Got cams here, and I found the head under the car, and they busted the skirts off. So nice. Oh, it's got trim?
Well, like,
ooh,
these?
plastic covers? Yeah, we need those for ours. Breaking a sweat?
Taking off bolts is so hard.
This is a nice seat if someone ever wants this. Nice GSR leather.
Hey, I'm gonna take it out.
Oh,
I did it.
be my guest. Be my guest.
I did it.
Go ahead. There might be a connector on the bottom, but we'll see. There you go. Nice.
Comfy.
All right, boss. You want to start doing the other one?
Yeah. Got my little vacuum.
You gonna vacuum it out in here? No, we'll just take it out and shake it out. It's all right. Yeah, that one's gonna be really difficult since we can't open that door yet. But I'm working on getting that door open. Just need to get this fender off already. Well, just remember that there's a bolt on the inside of the fender here to remove it completely. I'm not gonna be able to get that. I realized also that I'm able to access the door bolts from inside the fender well. So I'm gonna just take these door bolts off here and leave the fender on.
I cannot access the rear bolts because the steering wheel is blocking me from moving the seat up.
Actually, maybe I can lift up on the steering wheel and we can make that fit.
Oh, smart. I didn't think of that.
Whew. There we go. Man, you almost got all this done before I can get a fender and a door off.
I'm hired.
Yeah, you are hired.
I deserve a raise. Oh my gosh, I almost panicked. I was like, where's my phone?
Right there.
Drum roll, please.
The stash. Oh, here's the rest of the door handle they broke off. Nice. Cannot tell what this is hitting on. So let's go look at the other door, see how that one closes. Wonder if it's this that's holding it up. Yeah, definitely. It's not designed to be taken off sideways.
I gotta pee again.
Find a car or a trunk you'd like to go in. You can find the closest Ford Explorer if you'd like.
Literally thinking of that. Not a Ford Explorer though. Something Ford. Anything Ford.
Ford is a nice porta potty. More like a Forta potty. Oh, this one looks like it's actually plugged in. Yep.
Is it?
Whoa, what is this? Is this a security system? I've actually never seen this. How do I unplug it? Yeah, look at that. Acura Security Control Main Unit. That's cool.
I got it from here.
You got it? All right. Nice. You don't want to seat test that one?
Oh, I need a beer.
I don't know how else to get this door off. So we're gonna need to lift up on this plastic trim. This is actually part of the carpet. So maybe we can make room for it. Next piece of the puzzle. I don't think we're gonna get that door open, if I'm gonna be honest with you. Velcro. Oh, you already got it. That was so fast. All right, this is the next Johnny right here. And in order to get this one off, we need to get the screw that's all the way in the cup holder.
Okay, I see it.
Pretty nice center console. It's got the leather top, if you're into that. There we go. All right, next we need to get these two screws off. You're doing all the work today. Oh man, shift interlock. That's all free, honestly. We just need to get the sides off, which are right here, which that's the issue with the door.
Maybe I can just donkey kick this.
All right, you try and donkey kick it.
No.
I tried.
Did you?
Yeah, I did. It didn't budge. Get the wind up.
Whoa.
Yeah, you don't want to sit on that. Or your phone. Yeah, there you go. That's all you got. It's not going. Nope. Let me in. Simple as that. Start clearing out all this junk. So I guess there is a little piece of the carpet that is attached all the way in the rear, but we're just gonna cut it for now because we are not worried about that. Perfect. Let's see if this is. Oh, there's another piece.
And then you cut there too?
Yeah, go ahead. Just go ahead and chop that. Got it? Sweet. Thank you for that. Perfect. Oh, that was dusty. I'm sorry. I almost forgot. You have to take off this foot stopper, foot rest thing. And these bolts are usually really rusty on Midwest cars. And usually they strip, but this one came off perfectly. Let's try the top. Yes. And pull the carpet through from the other side. The next step is going to be removing the plastic that's under the door. So we're gonna see if I can get the clips off with the door still on. If not, I'm gonna just separate the carpet from the plastic. If I take out the window, do you think that'll allow the door to pivot more? Oh, finally. The heck? What are you up to? Enjoying the sun? Let's see how much more we can pry it. About the same. Great. Oh man, I forgot we have to take this off. Luckily this is pretty easy. Hopefully that was it. Let's see. How is there gonna be carpet in between the e-brake? What? Well, now that we have the carpet out, I think the last thing I'm gonna take from this car is the trunk. Oh no, they took the wing. The wing is gone. We'll put our wing on it because I love our wing. Well, this trunk is nice and straight. Ours has some dents in it as I rub in this dirt and grime into the paint. Yeah, this is actually really nice. Although it's sun faded, it is straight. So there's no connector to remove the harness from these trunks, which I think is kind of weird. So I'm gonna take out the harness first, and then it's just the 4 bolts. There we go.
It's a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, it's pretty light. Got the trunk, and I lied. There is one more piece that I want to grab. This plastic trim. Never had any interior in the rear of our sedan, and honestly, this would be nice. It'll make for loading into the work truck a lot smoother. Whoop, whoop. Mission accomplished. I think we got everything we came here for. Thanks for your assistance today. Since we were here recently, I don't really think we need to walk around and check because we already know what's in here. And there's nothing new yet.
Not much.
Now we gotta fit this into the work truck. I would throw the trunk on now, but I don't really feel like doing that here in the junkyard parking lot. All right, this trunk is gonna have to go in the back seat. That's the only option. All right, go ahead and close it. Let's see if it clears. Okay, okay. No! Maybe if we angle it. I don't want to destroy my interior. There we go. Alrighty. Let's see if we can get it out. Dang, all by yourself? There we go. You got it?
Yeah.
Alright, I guess find a spot for it. I don't even know where.
Not really seeing any spots.
Yeah, no. Well, I guess we can just install this right now. Thank you. Hard to tell what I'm doing here. Wow.
So fancy.
So fancy. A whole nother trim piece. Thanks for sticking around, guys. Don't forget to drop a like on the video and verify that you're still subscribed. I had quite a few people message me saying that they were not subscribed anymore. So when you get a chance, just verify that you are. See you next time.